right, YouTube, we got Toyota Camry here today behind me. We're gonna do some work to it. We're gonna start off by changing the serpentine belt. All right, so we have the hood popped open. The serpentine belt location is gonna be right here. Okay, we're gonna replace this belt right there. This is gonna be the replacement part. This is from the factory. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is there's this pulley right here. You'll see it looks like a pendulum. And then I'll show you how to move that so the serpentine belt comes off. All right, so you're gonna take your 14 millimeter, you're gonna put it on this top bolt, you're gonna get a long wrench, and then if you see, you could pull it down and see how it moves the tension on the belt. That's it, that's all you have to do. And then just slide the belts off. All right, so this is the old belt. Usually you can see it and it'll like have cracks in it, but this one does not. So actually it would have been fine, but he already bought the new one, so we're just gonna replace it. Now you're just gonna follow the same way you took it off. All the rib sides, if you didn't take a picture, the cheat sheet is all the rib sides have the rib side on it, and all the smooth pulleys like this one have the back side on it. So you'll be able to reference this video to put it back on, but yeah, there you go. All right, the first piece of advice I could give you is don't do it while the engine's hot. But if you have to, like I did, just make sure you have some long gloves on. I have a pair of long gloves that I wear sometimes, so it doesn't burn the flesh off your arm. So the cheat sheet on this is always do the rib parts first. Start with the bottom, get the rib parts on, especially over the bottom because they have a lip. Then you're going to snake it through here, and then you're always going to do the pendulum last, and then it just slides over because it's smooth. It always runs on the back side of the belt, and then that's it. I hope this video helped you out, saved you some money, and like I said, it's a 5-minute job. Do it yourself. Just need like one wrench and you're set. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up on the Camry, and I'll see you guys next time.